Hello friends, welcome to another video. Today I will share with you a short tip about selection. I was facing this issue, so I thought it might be happened with anybody else. If you are facing this problem during the selection, then follow a few steps. As you can see, I have a few intersecting objects like circles and some lines. I can select them separately if I need them. But if I click on the intersecting location, this shows up. I did not need it because it is bugging me. If this selection cycling box shows up and you don't like it, then you have to come here. Click on 3 dots option and check selection cycling. Now its icon will appear here, as you can see. Right-click on it and open Selection Cycling Settings. And check off the Allow Selection Cycling and press OK. Now we can select any object what we need. So please like the video and hit the subscribe button to get more tools and tips videos.
Thanks for watching the video.